They've seen us. Oh, shit. Let's try to escape. That's Daniela from Lampedusa Sea Turtle Rescue.
Welcome to the Lampedusa's Volunteers House. We are happy to have you with us. Thank you so much. Inside.
Actually, we were supposed to come through this door because that's the Turtle Rescue Center, but it was closed.
Just a few months ago, all this was in order. Here there was a line of people arriving to the gate. Here there was written Centro Recupero, Rescue Center. And is completely destroyed.
That's property of municipality, and the deal was that the rescue center pays only for the utility bills. But recently the guy who managed all of this territory opened a new business of storing frozen food. So one day he brought 5 huge freezer containers and illegally connected them to the grid.
So the bill from 2000 passed 9,000 euro every month. And this is impossible for us.
Here's one turtle. The fisherman got it on a long line and she's got hook inside her mouth. Yep.
And 3.
How much she weighed?
We think about 50.
And she's between 40 to 60 years old. It's very hard to determine exact age. So turtles got here almost every time the fisherman goes out in the sea. We measured her, put tags, cleaned old wounds, took various samples, and then started to prepare to remove the hook from her mouth. But
she made everything alone.
Can you see the hook?
No, she lost.
There is no hook.
Thank you, my dear.
He's over there.
So she removed it.
No, remove that.
Oh, it's so huge.
Wow, we are lucky.
Instead of here.
Yeah, exactly.
This we're looking for. This part.
Guys are doing everything right now in their rental house. Lectures for new volunteers, procedures with the turtles. They remove hooks right here, and there's like micro laboratory. Also down there, tanks for the sea turtles. Everything is just regular house, but nevertheless they keep going.
In questo caso qua,
Lampedusa is a tiny Italian island, which is closer to Tunisia rather than Italy. That's why it's a hotspot for migration. When you search online, you will come up with 3 main things: refugees, beaches, and turtle rescue center. That's how important this center was. Speaking about beaches, they have a rabbit beach, which is considered one of the most beautiful in the world, and even that beach is not without the turtles.
Right now here are 10 nests of loggerhead sea turtles and they're protected. Here are also some guys who are working and explaining everything and take care that no one disturbs them. It's a national reserve. Yeah, it is beautiful.
Despite closure, volunteers keep doing researches on the amount of microplastics in the sand. They also went out in the harbor to inform tourist boat captains on how to act and approach marine animals. But some captains are also fishermen, and they're not very happy about us being there.
I was angry because the center is closed. So the tourists are angry because they want to see sea turtles.
But it's never been a tourist attraction, it was a hospital, which people could visit. By the way, I came here together with Equestrio Foundation.
Yeah, money on this car was given by Equestrio Foundation.
Yes, it was a donation, really precious for us.
It's a very nice collaboration with Lampedusa's airport because they allow to make a corner dedicated to sea turtle conservation. That's very nice. Most of the airport wouldn't do this.
So we saved more than 6,000 turtles, performed more than 2,500 surgeries.
And that's the collection of hooks removed from the turtles. Now we're checking sand samples for plastic particles, and later we will examine samples of parasites we took from sea turtle. All the microscopes and laboratory equipment also was funded by Equestrio Foundation.
Wow!
Yes. Cut them.
You had to cut them to take
Yes.
it out.
This is property of a municipality. We don't understand why the municipality accept that this land that was given for aquaculture now is used for frozen food.
It's very sad because actually right now here's nothing and it's just, you know, dumping site. It stands empty.
The fence was broken in one place and I decided quickly sneak in to make a few shots of how it looks now. But after just 1 minute I've heard the noise of the car.
Deve ser nosso. Escape.
Dovete nascondere la verità. Che cosa siete? Cosa sei venuto a fare?
I don't understand. Tell me.
Hai non tu, i corna cacciantesta. Hai non tu.
I don't know what you're saying to me.
Nemmeno il coraggio di dire la verità delle cose, perché siete false, sei una persona falsa.
That's the owner, yeah?
One of ours, the worst one.
So is it okay or you'll have a problem? Why they don't pay for their own electricity? I just don't understand.
Because the contract was with our name.
Okay, there's agreement, but there was agreement on different terms, right?
Yes.
Fucking bastard. Making business and you want other pay for it.
There's also unusual relationships with fishermen. In Lampedusa there are about 100 of them, yet only 3 cooperate and bring bycatch
This is the
turtles.
captain. 1,000 turtles in 25 years. Most of the fishermen cut the line, let the turtle go. He keeps every turtle.
In my view, fishermen are a huge part of the problem, yet Daniela have to maintain good relationships with them, because otherwise they won't bring turtles. So that evening we gave a lift to few of them.
Scientists think that about 40,000 turtles per year died for fishery interaction. Personally, I think that millions of turtles die for the same reason. We have a lot of not legal fisheries all around the 24 countries of the Mediterranean. They come from 3 different continents, different legislation, different customs, different religion. In some countries there is a big competition between turtles and fishermen. Fishery is a work that you do only if you are really poor and you don't have any other chance to survive. So, of course, there are people without education behind. They need to work, they need to have money for their family, and so it's a war that we do against turtles. So it's an enemy, and millions of turtles die as this.
She was growing so fast, but now she's out in the sea again and hopefully she won't get caught by the hooks again. At least happy ending for now. I think local municipalities should not only provide a new space for the rescue center for free, but also pay decent salary to Daniela and other workers. Daniela dedicated 40 years of her life taking care of sea turtles, and yet she struggles to pay her bills. She won't have retirement either, because all of this time she was a volunteer, and during off-season she also had to take side jobs as a translator. This situation is a shame for the whole of our society and economical system, when real heroes are neglected and had to fight for their survival. Unfortunately, unless we change our trade-based system and values, nothing gonna change. Nevertheless, if you want to support Rescue Center in any way, links will be under this video. Thank you for paying your attention, and be brave to act. Well, thank you, Daniela. It was amazing to spend so much time with you. You're such a strong and lovely person. You're a great inspiration.
Thank you so much, and safe turtles.
Yeah, thank you.
Ciao!